Your habits determine your future. You've probably heard this many times before and you've tried adopting new habits, but you failed to stick to them time and time again. That is because you've been using your willpower. Trust me, your willpower cannot help you create lasting habits. Eventually, you lose your motivation and you'll give up. Does this sound like something that has happened to you before? If it has, you're at the right place because I'm just about to share my tips and tricks that I've used to create lasting habits. The most important tip that I have to give you today is attaching a strong reason to why you want to adopt a new habit. Willpower will last you a few months, sometimes a few days. What happens next? You'll skip one day, you'll skip 2 days, 3 days, and you'll be back to where you started. You know why this happens? It's because of that little devil on your shoulder. It'll say things like, Gina, you deserve it, just skip one day, it's completely okay, have this piece of cake, you feed your soul, and stuff like that. And the angel on the other side will not be able to fight with the devil long enough unless it has a strong reason why. Your brain is always craving for instant gratification, and that is why it chooses to sleep for 5 more minutes instead of getting up. But if you have a bigger reward in the long term, your brain will let go of that instant gratification. So every time you want to adopt a new habit, you ask yourself why. And every time that little devil starts talking, remind yourself why. A lot of times we set unrealistic goals for ourselves. We want to start adopting 10 new habits at the same time because we want to change our life around. With all that is going on in your life, adding 10 new habits or a few complex habits is going to make the whole process difficult and uncomfortable. Don't wait for 1st of Jan or your birthday to turn around your life completely, because you won't be able to stick to those habits, as you will be overwhelmed by the drastic change that it comes with. So keep it simple. Start with one thing at a time and something that is easy for you to begin with. For example, drinking 1 extra glass of water, or taking extra 1,000 steps in a day, or meditating for 2 minutes. Just start with that and eventually start increasing the amount or start adding another habit to your routine. You don't have to climb the entire mountain in one day. Take small steps at a time. This will help you stick to those new habits for life. A habit is always accompanied by a reward or gratification. Think about one of your existing habits. Let's say, for example, taking a shower. The reward for taking a shower would be different for different people. For me, it's the feeling of freshness and the feeling that I'm ready to start my day. Even bad habits have their own rewards. For example, biting your nails. For some people, biting nails is like a stress buster, while for some people, it is a stimulant when they're bored. Identifying a reward for that new habit that you want to create is so crucial, as it will help in creating a craving in your mind and you would want to do it every day. Say you take up a 30-day challenge with a friend. You are more likely to complete it because now you have somebody to be accountable to. According to a study, it takes up to 21 days to adopt a new habit and 8 months for it to become second nature. That seems like a long time to stick to something. This is why having an accountability partner is so important, as they will help you become more responsible and you will make fewer excuses. If you do not have an accountability partner, be accountable to yourself. Start using a habit tracker or start marking your progress on a calendar. Habit stacking is a concept that I came across a while ago. It essentially means stacking a new habit before or after an existing habit. Let's say, for example, I want to start a new gratitude practice from tomorrow morning. I would stack this new habit right after my existing habit of brushing my teeth. So from tomorrow, every morning after brushing my teeth, I would do my gratitude practice. We can keep adding newer habits to this and hence create a routine. This will make sure that the new habits stick. So these are my tips and tricks to create long-lasting habits in my life. I pick up a simple habit, identify a strong why and a reward for the same, and finally make myself accountable. If you hit all of these things, you are setting yourself up for success. No more abusing your willpower and no more going back to square one. All I want you to do today is make a list of all the habits that you want to start adopting and pick the simplest of them all and use the tips that I just told you about. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the information in this video useful, like it, comment on it, and subscribe for more such videos.